Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize new Relic for AI monitoring workflows step by step clearly. To begin authorizing new Relic for AI monitoring workflows, first, log in to your new Relic account. Navigate to the Account Settings section from the main dashboard. Within the Account Settings, look for the API Keys option. Click on the API Keys option to view your current keys. If you do not have an API key, click the button to generate a new key. Make sure to copy the generated API key and store it securely. Next, head to the platform or service you want to integrate with New Relic. Locate the Settings or Integration section within that platform. Find the option for New Relic integration and click to configure it. When prompted, paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Ensure that all other required fields are filled out correctly. After filling in the necessary information, click on the Save or Connect button. Wait for the platform to validate your API key and configure the integration. Once the integration is successful, you will receive a confirmation notification. You are now set up to utilize AI monitoring workflows through New Relic. Check back in New Relic to monitor the progress of your workflows. Make adjustments to your settings as needed to optimize your monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.